とってもいいような夜だけどどよめききらめきと君もとってもいいような夜だけど二人刻もうまだ止まった刻む針も入り浸った散らかる部屋も変わらないね思い出しては二人年を重ねてたまだ止まった落とす針をよく流した聞き飽きるほど変わらないね変わらないでいられたのは君だけか無駄なしではぐらかして触れた先をためらうように足踏みしてずれた針をよそに揃い始めてた息がとってもいいような夜だけどどよめききらめきと君もとってもいいような夜だけど二人刻もう見つめるほどに溢れるメモリーわずく心にコーヒーを乱れた部屋にかすれたメロディー混ざり合ってよもう一度とってもいいような夜だけどときめき色めきと君もとってもいいような夜だけど二人刻もう
Sit. High five. No. High five. Good. Down. Down. On your side. Up. Fist bump. Good. Fist bump. Good. Paw. Other paw. Thank you. Say please. Please. Good boy. Gentle. Good boy. Paw. Thank you. Other paw. Other paw. Thank you. Sit. Taco, sit. Paw. Other paw. Other paw. This one. This one. Thank you. Good boys. So we just came back from Malatang and my fiance's friends helped me brought back two twisted books. It's book 2 and book 3. I started collecting because I thought the cover was really pretty. I did read it on the Kindle app, but I just wanted to collect it because I thought it was so pretty. So I already have book 1, book 3, and book 4, but they're from different publishers, so it was kind of bothering me that they were different lengths. So I'm trying to look for all the ones that is the blue. So hopefully they're all like the same size, but yeah, I'm super excited. Now I just need to look for book 4. I've been trying to find these in the Toronto Facebook market, but like they get sold out so fast and it's super hard to grab them. Okay, Okay, so they're pretty much the same length, but I don't know why this one's a little taller. Is it, even though the same publisher, I don't know, maybe it's different, but now I'm gonna try to resell this and then we'll try to find the fourth one, but at least it looks better than like before when it was just this and this. Like, it's such an awkward length difference, but it's better than nothing.